This iconic hotel is more than just a place to stay, it's an immersive experience that puts you in the heart of Universal Orlando Resort. From the moment you step through the doors, you're surrounded by the energy of rock and roll legends. Guitars and memorabilia line the walls, and the air is alive with the sounds of classic anthems. But the Hard Rock Hotel isn't just about the past, it's also about creating unforgettable memories for the present. With its prime location and perks like early theme park admission and free express passes, Hard Rock is easily one of the most popular hotels at Universal Orlando Resort. Be sure to stay tuned to the end. I'll share some very cool musical experiences you can have as a guest of the hotel. It's all coming up right now. Welcome to the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal Orlando, where rock and roll meets theme park thrills. The lobby of the Hard Rock Hotel is anything but ordinary. It's part rock and roll museum with over 80 hand-selected pieces of memorabilia and part luxury hotel. Designers wanted the entire hotel to look like a rock star's mansion, and they achieved this in the lobby with a giant TV screen, plus furniture, sleek finishes, and a sunken living room. Along with the hotel's front desk, you'll find a vacation planning desk in the lobby where you can pick up your theme park passes. Team members can also assist you with setting up your Universal Orlando mobile app, such as linking your tickets. You'll need to stop at the vacation planning desk first to get your tickets if your room isn't ready when you arrive. You can store your bags with luggage services and then head off to a theme park. One of the biggest perks that comes with staying at Hard Rock is that you get free Universal Express Pass Unlimited when you include theme park tickets or if you have an annual pass. Note that this is the Unlimited Express Pass, so you can bypass the lines as much as you want on most attractions. If your room isn't ready when you check in, that's okay. You can still obtain your room keys from the front desk. If you want to head out to a theme park as soon as you arrive, you'll need your room keys because they also serve as your express passes. When your room is ready, you'll receive a text message on your phone with your room number, and you can proceed to your room whenever you want thereafter. On select nights during the year, the lobby hosts live music by well-known and local artists. You'll also find a Hard Rock gift shop with both Universal Orlando merchandise and Hard Rock logo items. One of the best pools at Universal Orlando Resort is right here at the Hard Rock. This sprawling 12,000 square foot behemoth is the centerpiece of the pool complex. Think crystal clear waters, plenty of space to lounge and swim, and zero entry sand beach area for a gentle dip. Underwater speakers blast out a curated playlist of music, keeping the energy high throughout the day. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a plunge down a 260-foot-long water slide. Upgrade your pool day with a private cabana. These luxurious shaded havens come equipped with loungers, a fan, and even dedicated food and beverage service. Cabanas can be rented in advance by calling the hotel directly or by asking your travel advisor. They do sell out fast, so you definitely want to reserve one well in advance. Dining at the Hard Rock Hotel at Universal is an experience for sure, catering to all appetites and moods. It's not just about grabbing a bite, it's about immersing yourself in the chill atmosphere and the rock and roll spirit that permeates this hotel. Bringing the legacy of its famous New York steakhouse to Universal Orlando Resort, the Palm Restaurant is the perfect place for an upscale meal in a classic New York-style atmosphere. The kitchen is your all-day eatery for comfort food and a touch of southern charm. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served daily. And on Sundays, you can enjoy a live acoustic performance while you feast on brunch favorites that include a full breakfast buffet, salad bar, carving station, salmon platter, and other chef-inspired creations. This is also a popular event with Orlando locals. Serving Boston's legendary ice cream and more, Emick and Bolio's Marketplace is your grab-and-go market while staying at the hotel. No, seriously, try the ice cream. It has literally won awards. Emick and Bolio's was founded by an entertainment attorney representing bands like Aerosmith and U2, so it's right at home at the Hard Rock. The Marketplace serves Starbucks coffee and custom drinks all day, plus there are fresh-made pastries, sandwiches, pizzas, salads, and more. You can even grab ready-to-go cocktails, beer, and wine. Hard Rock has 650 standard hotel rooms and 29 suites. Most are 375 square feet and have 2 queen beds. Standard rooms can sleep up to 5 guests if the 5th person doesn't mind sleeping on a rollaway bed. There may be a small fee per night for the rollaway bed. Deluxe rooms can sleep up to 5 people with 2 queen beds and a sleeper sofa. Room categories include Standard View, which is the most economical category. That tends to sell out first. Garden View is the most common and often not much more than Standard View, so be sure to check the rates between the two categories. Now, Club Level is available at the Hard Rock. Rooms booked on the Club Level floor come with access to the Rock Royalty Lounge. The lounge features a complimentary continental breakfast each morning and additional privileges, including complimentary admission to the fitness center. Now, Club Level rooms are standard hotel rooms, but there are a number of suites available with Club Level access as well. One of the most popular rooms at the Hard Rock is the Future Rockstar Suite. There's plenty of space for the whole family in this 800 square foot family suite, featuring a standard king bedroom for 2 adults plus a separate room for 2 kids connected via a door that only opens to the adults' room. The kids' room features memorabilia from today's hottest artists. They'll step on a stage that changes colors beneath their feet and perform before a wall of enthusiastic fans with music synced to their TV. The Hard Rock is the closest hotel to Universal City Walk and the theme parks. It's actually within walking distance via a scenic shaded walkway. Complimentary water taxis are also available, but it actually might be faster to walk. Bus service is available to other areas of the resort, including Volcano Bay Water Park. And as for those very cool musical experiences I mentioned earlier, the Hard Rock Hotel offers the Sound of Your Stay program, which is an exclusive audio experience that puts guests up close and personal with music. You can rent a Fender guitar or even rent some vinyl records. It's included as part of your stay at no extra charge. How cool is that? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and be sure to hit that bell so you'll be notified when my next episode is available. For more information about what I do, visit orlandoparksguy.com. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram.